Hey YouTubers, you told me you wanted to see me do upside down handcuff escape. Well, this is my handcuff escape. Got the handcuffs right here, and my ankles right here, and I'm on a fucking 16-inch ladder. I'm scared of heights.
I'm not scared of heights. She's just scared. I'm not. I love heights.
I'm falling. Give me the handcuffs. And the key. Oh, shit. Ow, my ass. Give me the handcuffs.
Well, YouTube video people, if she doesn't have the keys, she's fucked.
Give me the key.
I don't have the key.
You don't?
No.
Are you serious?
Yep. Look at her squeal!
Oh my god. Get the handcuffs here.
This is so funny.
Okay. Can you take a close up to my handcuffs?
No, I'm up here.
Okay.
Well, there's a good side of the legs, YouTube video
See
people.
my wrist?
No, I can see nothing.
Look down.
There it is, if you guys can see it. I can't go any closer because I'm up here, and I might squish her.
Go down another lane.
You gotta be nuts. If I do, I will put my feet where your legs are.
Okay. Alright, now I gotta get out of this shithole.
Well, start.
Hey, Barry!
Start now?
I'm trying! I know what I'm doing. Uh-oh. I lost the key. YouTubers, I lost the key. This is a hard handcuff escape, YouTubers. I got.
Now use your leg muscles. Look at her shake. Oh no, you have to do the other arm too to escape completely.
I know that.
Look at her face, you two people. Look at her face. YouTube people, watch your squeal. Stop squealing.
Okay, I have done the split on the ladder. First time in the world, America.
It's really not.
Yeah, man.
Now she has to completely do the legs. If she can't do the legs, she will completely be upside down on the ladder. Because she might
My
be
ass hurts.
You're not supposed to say that on YouTube.
Well, my Gleus Maximus hurts. Yes! And I am free.
Now jump off.
I thought I can get out of this place.
Now, let's see if you can jump off.
And that's the escape.
Come get your phone and record me, and move the ladder. This is partially. Okay. Hi, YouTube people. I don't know who the hell are you, but Olivia, please move that so I can literally jump off.
You ain't gonna jump.
Not really jump. Jump is free.
No, don't. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Fuck that.
Terry, just walk down the fucking ladder like a normal person.
I don't listen, YouTube people.
Alright, bye. Thank you for watching. Please comment. Any other ideas, just tell me.
And tell me too.
Alright, bye.